Understanding Annual Appraisal, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in the professional world: annual appraisal. Whether you're working in a company or just curious about workplace practices, understanding this term is essential. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. An annual appraisal is a regular evaluation process that most companies conduct once a year. It's a time when your performance is reviewed by your superiors or managers. The key points of this process include assessing your work, looking at what you have achieved over the past year, setting goals, discussing objectives for the upcoming year, feedback, receiving constructive criticism and praise for your work. Understanding the concept of an annual appraisal is crucial because it affects your career growth and development within the company. It often influences decisions about salary increases, promotions, and training needs. It's a chance for you to reflect on your performance and set personal goals. To make the most out of your annual appraisal, consider these steps. 1. Reflect on your achievements over the past year. 2. Be ready to discuss your challenges and how you overcame them. 3. Think about your goals for the next year and how you plan to achieve them. In an appraisal, you might hear phrases like, "Where do you see yourself in the next year? What are your biggest achievements and challenges? How can we support your career development?" Understanding these phrases will help you navigate the discussion more effectively. I hope this video has shed light on what an annual appraisal is and why it's so important in a professional setting. Remember, it's not just about evaluation. It's a fantastic opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video.